There are several commands that can give you the content in sec1. The first of which is cat, right? So you say cat seq1, and there you are. A very good afternoon to you all. And today we talk about 25 common Linux commands. So we can use both the Linux commands and awk to count the number of lines in your file. So first we do it via the Linux commands. So you say cat, that's the name of the file, and you pipe it with the word count command wc, and because you want to count the number of lines, you say -l, and you press enter. So now if you see, this has 9,43,628 lines. So now you do the same thing with awk. So here you are, you say awk, and then you open your apostrophe, then you say end, and then once the file has been completed read line by line, you are printing the nr. So you say print, and you say nr, right? So this is the action. Action has to be within the curly brackets, and then you close your apostrophe, give the file name, and you press enter. And to ensure that you have a smooth introduction to Python, we will start straight away by using what is known as Google Colabs. Welcome back to Dr. Vipin's Biotech and Mathematics classroom, DNA composition and counting the ATGC and the GC content of an input DNA sequence. And today we discuss the inbuilt datasets in R, as also the datasets that can be made available through the libraries that you install. So when you run this, here is what you get, right? So, and in packages, you can go to install, and in install, you can write ggplot2. So here is your final graph. This is your class performance report in 12 subjects, and the marks distribution across each subject is shown to you. So here we are, and you might be wondering, why did I put this picture in the background? So that is how the channel is running. It is getting past more than 25,000 views now. And you're welcome to Biotech, the next level.